Dear student of class 7, today we discuss about exercise 2.6 of decimal and fraction. Firstly, I tell you about some rules. With the help of this rule, the exercise 2.6 be very easy. First rule of the exercise, or multiplying a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. For example, 67.24 into 10. When multiply 67.24 by 10, then place point 2 is shifted to right side. Then decimal point after 7, then decimal point after 2. Then its value is 672.4. Similarly, 4.956 into 10 is equal to 49.56. The decimal which is after 4, then it will be after 9. Then it's shifted right side one place. And second rule, or multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 2 place. For example, number 2, 84.934 is multiplied by 100. Then decimal place which is 80 after 84, then it will be after 8493.4, because decimal place is 2 place shifted right side. And third rule, it's two parts. Multiply the two decimal without decimal point, just like whole number. That is, firstly we multiply the decimal numbers without decimals, and next marks the decimal point in the product in such a way that the number of decimal place in the product is equal to the sum of the decimal place in the given decimals. It is clear with the help of example number 3, that is 73.68 into 5.4. Firstly, we multiply 7368 into 54 without decimal. When multiply 7368 by 54, we find 397872. Now we see the sum of decimal place. Decimal place in first number is 2 and second place is 1. Then total decimal place is equal to 3. So our value is 397.872. Decimal place at third place from left. Now let me take question number 2 of exercise 2.6. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So firstly we draw a rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. We know in class 6 area of rectangle equal to twice L plus B. So twice value of L 5.7 and value of width 3. Then when we add 5.7 in 7 with 3, then it become 8.7. Then it will be 2 into 8.7. When multiplied by 2 into 8.7, then 17.4 centimeter square. Unit of rectangle is centimeter square. Since centimeter into centimeter is equal to centimeter square. Again we see a question number 4. A two-wheeler covered a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol, how much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? It is simple. Firstly, we write distance covered in 1 liter petrol, 55.3 kilometer. So distance covered in 10 liter, 55.3 into 10. When multiplied by 10, then decimal place shifted right side in one place. Then its answer is 553 kilometer.